In this video, I'll show you how to fold the rear seats of your Cadillac SRX. This way you're going to have a lot more space to store stuff. So what you need to do is to go in the back, and on each corner you're going to find a lever you need to pull until you see the color red on the side. Then take the lever and pull the backrest down until it's completely flat. Do the same thing on the other side. There's the same kind of a lever there. And this way the floor will be completely flat, and yeah, maybe you have to push the front seat a bit in case the backrest is not folding down completely. When time comes to put back everything, you cannot simply bring the backrest in place. You absolutely need to pull on that latch and then bring it up like this. You may find a small loop on the side. Don't worry about that. You can tuck it in afterwards. It's for the seat belt. But overall, this is it. Once it's in place, make sure it does not move. Make sure you don't see the color red, and you're ready to go.